ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು, ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು. ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು.
Hello, SMCP. I hope all are fine and doing well. You all are excellent students of our SM College of Pharmacy. Sky is the limit for your all achievements. So keep on trying until you reach your destination. I wholeheartedly wish all the best for your bright future. Thank you one and all.
Very good morning to one and all. I'm very happy to share my few words regarding our graduates who has been taken graduation from our prestigious institution. Let them get very good opportunities in their future endeavor. All of them, I wish all the best. Thank you. Thank you one and all.
Good morning. Hi friends. 2024. I wish you all the best for your betterment of your future and prosperity in your life. And success is also awaits you for your near future. Thank you.
Hi, Chance. A warm congratulations for all the graduates. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay focused and you can achieve anything in your life. Best of luck on your new beginning. Thank you.
ನನ್ನ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಇನ್ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಶುರುವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೊರ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಏನಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮನೆ ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಎದುರಿಸಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇರಲಿ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಬಲ್ಲೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Hello, graduates of SJMCP 2K24. Hope all are doing good. May your future be filled with success and happiness. Stay blessed. Dream big. Thank you.
Hi. Hello, everyone. It's time to say all the best wishes, congratulations. The reason is you're all being awarded as graduates. graduation which you have deserved, studying here for so many years, and with all your efforts, you have been awarded with a graduation. Now on, you are entered into a new life, the life which where you have to earn, you have to struggle, you have to survive, where you have to put all your heart and soul for the benefit of yourself and for the welfare of your family. The scope, the future is wide ahead. The sky is the limit. You all have the potential. You all been awarded graduation with a well-known, esteemed organization, SJM College of Pharmacy, which the college has given you a strong platform to make your life successful. Everybody, I wish, go with a strong basement, a plan where you can deserve your dream life. I repeatedly say, and I say, dream life. Struggle for it. Go ahead. I wish you best of luck.